Singleton is widely used pattern, and in this pattern the objects, only one instance is created in the entire program. When you create the object, there cannot be two different objects for the same class, only one. Singleton ensures class has only one instance and provides a global access point. The structure of a singleton pattern is make the constructor private and provide a private static instance member and a public interface of static method, such as getInstance, that will get the instance of the object already exists, or it will create one if it doesn't. Here is an example of singleton class. For example, if you are creating a logger class, which there should be only one object and which only provides an interface that you are logging into an application.log or something, some other file, only one log file in your entire program. In that case, this logger class will be very helpful. So we have the constructor private, as we have seen how to construct a singleton class, how to define. So once your constructor is private, it is not directly accessible. You cannot create an object directly from outside the class. And we have an instance variable, a pointer for that logger class is a static variable, a static pointer. And this is just the log for the log. And most important part, or one of the important part, is this one. We need a public method, which is, say, getInstance, that will return a logger object, and it will create one for the first time when it is called. This is also called a lazy creation, so at the time of creation only. This class is not that efficient. This is just to understand what is the singleton pattern. But this will not work correctly if you are running multi-threaded environment. So that has a different logic. So for that, I would recommend go and sign up for the course that we have. Every detail you need to learn is there. So this log method will write to the log file, and we have close log. This is another, just to clean the resources, that file we opened in the constructor, and we will close it. So another important part is this one. You have to initialize that instance member or class member instance variable with null pointer. Otherwise, this logic won't work correctly in the getInstance. So we have to have it in null pointer. Initially, that means we don't have any object created for this singleton class. Let's go through the main function. We have this, as we cannot create the object directly, we have this getInstance call, with a scope operator for that class. And this will return a logger pointer. As we have seen, if for first time, if doesn't exist, it will create one, and any second time, it will return the same object that is created. The second time here, down here, we are trying to get instance again. At this time, it will return the object that was created here. So that's why it is a singleton. It's only one object in entire program. So you do log after creating that by calling log method, as we have seen above, and then you close it and create the instance again, try to create. That will return the old object. And here is what the both instance point to the same object. So this is what it is. You will get if you execute this logger and another logger, those are two same instance, referring to the same instance. That means they are pointers, but they are address of the same object. So this is singleton.